What's going on, guys? Welcome to our first video back in over a year and a half.
Yep.
Right now we are in Marco Island, Florida. We're going to be doing some kayak fishing for our first part of 4. All right, guys, so we made it to the spot. We're under a bridge. We're going to fish these pillars over here. I already casted, so I didn't get to record the first cast, which kind of sucks. But I already got a hit. We're fishing with shrimp and pinfish right now. We're just docked up in between here. There's Johnny. Hello. We're gonna get some of Johnny's POV too. If we can. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Alright. So right now we're fishing with these neon, I guess you can call them bobbers, but last time I was in Florida, the speckled trout really loved this color. So we're just gonna keep fishing with it. And I'll get back to you if we're gonna catch fish. All right, guys, so me and Johnny, we're switching to bottom rigs. We're gonna bottom fish for a little bit, just right off the kayak, and see if we can catch anything. I think we will. Johnny's getting hits.
That's all I'm trying to make. Yeah.
You do? Yeah. Or are you snagged?
Nope, I got a fish.
You got a fish?
Yeah.
Oh shit, John. Don't let him get in there. Oh yeah, John.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is definitely what's it called. Oh my god, it's a snook.
It's a snook?
I got a snook. Oh my god. Oh, I got a snook.
Do you actually? Oh, you got a snook.
I got a snook. Oh my god. Come here.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
We're eating. We're eating them. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Johnny, reel.
I'm reeling. Oh, I got him.
You want me to grab him?
Yeah, grab him, quick. Oh my god.
Yeah.
God, he's massive.
Joe, shit.
Grab him by the hook.
Get in the boat. Yeah.
Guys, I just caught a common snook, a big ass snook. Hold on, let me get the swimmer first.
Let's fucking go, Johnny.
I'll swim it away quick. Take it, look.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Perfect. Oh, fish on.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
fuck. Oh, what is it? Is this a snapper?
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, it's a keeper snapper. Holy fuck.
Look at that snapper.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let's go.
Get in the boat. Yeah.
Right in the
Jesus Christ. Nice mangrove. It's about to pour. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get back into the house, and if the storm passes in time and the water's not too choppy, we're gonna come back out and do a little bit more fishing. If not, we're just gonna have to wait till tomorrow to fish again. So we'll let you guys know what's happening. If not, we're just gonna cook these fish up, call it a day. See you guys in a little bit. Back to the same spot that we were at before it started to rain, and we got this beautiful sunset behind us, and we're gonna try to get on a couple more fish. Fish? That coral got me again. Right in my palm. You had one?
Yep.
Shit.
Next time, just tell me to break up the stick.
Oh. Fish on.
Oh yeah, Princeton.
Oh yeah.
It's a little chat. Oh, I don't want to catch those. I don't want to catch a catfish.
damn it. Back now. We're getting eaten alive by these no-see mosquitoes, and we just don't feel like being out here right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back and cook the fish up and have a line in the water behind our house, and see if we can get anything then. Not really surprised if we don't. Alright guys, so we fillet the fish. We fillet the fish, we're gonna season them and then throw them in. I'll show you when we're eating it.
Alright guys, so we just finished up cooking the fish.
This is the snook right here, and this is the snapper. Snapper, the fillets were not that big. So, which one do you want to try first?
Let's go snook. I have never had it before.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers.
Not bad. I think it could use a little bit of lemon,
Alright, the
which
snook.
we missed out on.
Alright.
To the snapper. Let's see what we can do with this. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's so good. But this is both of our first times trying these, and I think it personally came out good.
The snapper's really good.
Snapper's like crazy good.
Snapper's definitely my favorite. Alright. Alright guys, we forgot to end the video yesterday, but I hope you guys enjoyed. We're about to go fishing right now for the second part of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.